If you're looking for a Google IT support beginner review, you're probably wondering if this certificate is the right place to start your IT career. The answer is yes. If you're a complete beginner with no previous experience, this is one of the best entry-level IT programs available online. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you a discount on the Coursera Plus annual plan, which is currently 40% off for a limited time. The Google IT Support Professional Certificate was created specifically for beginners. You don't need a college degree or any technical background to get started. The program teaches the core skills used in entry-level IT jobs, including computer hardware, networking, operating systems, Linux, system administration, troubleshooting, customer support, and IT security. You'll also gain hands-on experience through practical labs and real-world exercises. One of the biggest advantages of this certificate is its career focus. It's designed to take beginners from zero knowledge to job readiness in about 3 to 6 months while studying part-time. After completing the program, you can apply for jobs with Google and more than 150 employer partners. It also helps prepare you for the CompTIA A+ certification, giving you an additional industry-recognized credential if you decide to pursue it. Another reason this certificate stands out is that the skills you learn apply to many different IT careers. Whether you eventually want to work in cybersecurity, cloud computing, system administration, or networking, this program gives you a strong technical foundation to build on. Now here's something many beginners don't consider. If you only purchase this certificate today but later want to learn cybersecurity, data analytics, AI, project management, or Python, paying for each program individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter investment. With one annual subscription, you get unlimited access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from top organizations. Right now, the Coursera Plus annual plan is 40% off, bringing the price down to just $239 per year, which works out to less than $20 per month for unlimited learning across thousands of career-focused programs. If you're serious about starting a career in IT and want the flexibility to earn multiple industry-recognized certificates, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the current offer ends.